pencil, and then an unsharpened pencil, some string, and scissors. So after you're done all of that, you'll flip it over, and then you'll do the same thing over again. So you'll fold all the corners into the middle, and I'll show you what's next. And once you're done that, you'll fold it in half, just like that, and then you'll just really put your hand on it for 10 seconds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So once you're done that, what you're going to do is put the thumb and the pointer finger inside one of these, and then the other thumb in here. So you have it like that. Then you'll take your pointer finger and do this, and then do the same with your other thumb. And then we'll just use your chin to put it down. And then it's just like that. You're done. Well, we're not done yet. This is like a fortune teller. So what you'll do is actually take your thing like this and hold it on with your 4 fingers like this. And then you'll take a pencil and draw an animal. So it has to be like the mouth has to be like this. So it's like eating it. So I want to show like a way to so the string is going to go like this. And you have to come and get it like that. So for that, I want to make it like a little animal to eat it. So what I'm going to do is actually make a duck for this. So what I'll do is for the mouth, just make a triangle here. And then I'll make another one over here. Another one here. And another one here. And then I'll flat it down. Like that. And then you can just make it more equal and even. Like that. And then what you'll do is color it. So I'm making a duck. You can make anything else that you want, but if you just want to make something simple, then I just recommend following the duck. It sounds weird when I say it like that. The duck. The duck. And I'll just do this. I'll just color the other sides like this. So what you're gonna do is after, you'll make a little eyes for the thing. So the eyes are kind of hard to do because you need a perfect circle for that. So what I actually do instead of doing the perfect circle is make a dot basically. So a dot, I'll show you right now. See this? So you'll put your thumb and your finger back together where it was. You can actually put 2 fingers if you like, but I like to put 1. So here, you see the mouth. Make it bigger if you like. So what you're gonna do is just draw a small little dot here. And then another dot over here. And then you fold it back, and then you'll draw. Actually, just and then you'll draw another circle, and you draw another circle over here, and like that. See? So what you're gonna do is after outline it if you want to. If not, then just skip over ahead. So you outline it, the black marker. There. And then what you're gonna do is color the rest with whatever color your animal is. And then I'll show you after that. Okay, so I'm done now, and then this is how it looks. And what you're gonna do is, if you want more detail, like I do, you'll just open it up. Oh no, it's falling. Okay. Oh my god. That's it. Look at that. Okay, enough with the silly. So I want to draw a little like here, and I want to draw that what do I say? Like you know the inside of your mouth, like and then you see that thing inside, like I want to draw that. So here we go again. So it's like this right now. And I just want to draw the opening. So I just need to make a marking for that. Let's just say marking for the mouth. Like that. And now I'll know which one to color in. I'm gonna make like just the inside, just coloring the inside, nothing much. So yeah. So after you've colored it, what you're gonna do is actually take the pencil and then add a little string on it. So it'll be like a playing thing. I have actually no idea what I'm talking about. So I do have an idea what I'm talking about, but I just don't know what to do. So you just do this. Just color all the way. Just really some quick coloring because it doesn't matter a lot. I just said like I like the details a lot, just like 5 seconds ago. That's delusional. Wait, what do ducks actually eat? So after I've done the mouth, it looks weird. Why does that remind me of SpongeBob, even though it's not? It does not look like anything like SpongeBob, but it just reminds me of SpongeBob. Oh, there we go. So just the inside of the mouth, like that. See? Okay, once you're done that, what you're gonna do is take another small piece of paper and then draw. Wait, I just need to go check what ducks actually eat. Just okay, so I'm gonna cut these out, and then what you're gonna do is, so you just cut these out, and like this, you cut it all around the greens, like this. I'll show you. Cut it all around, like that. So, like that. Then you're gonna do the same for the rice. I just made this idea up from my head. So once I was at school, and then I am still in school. So I just made a fortune teller, and then I was in the middle of making it, and then I was reading a book about ducks too. And then I'm like, hey, we should put these together, and then I just made up this game. So So it's really fun to do. If you're bored, you can just make any type of food, an animal, not just ducks. I just like making ducks because that's the one I know how to do. But you guys can make whatever you want. Don't listen to me. I mean, do listen to me, but don't just like do whatever I'm doing. Just if you want to make a duck, you can. If you don't want to make a duck, you don't. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you're watching this video from this long, thank you for that. I know some people just skip to the end to see how the end is, and that's totally fine because that's what I do sometimes. That's what I do sometimes. But if you are watching till this point, then thank you very much. Because yeah. Okay, so I'm done with these little rice, the seed. So small. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is take some tape and then see the size of it, and then you just cut how much. Just take the tape and basically just tape. Where's my string? So you're gonna take the string and then put it till about this much, maybe. How much ever your your hand length is. So I would say that much. So I'm gonna make one for each food. I'm not gonna make one just for each other. So I'll show you what I basically mean by one for each other. So I'm gonna tape the rice. And then I'm gonna tape it all together like this. It looks easy, but it's actually hard while I'm showing you. Okay, so like that's good. And then what you're gonna do is tape it to your empty pencil. So you'll take your pencil and then you'll tape it actually to the end. Not in the middle, but to the end, so you have space. I'll show you what I mean. So like this. Some people want to glue it, but I definitely don't want you to glue it. So it's basically like this, and then another person will come. Okay. So it's like this. This is another person, and then you're like, boop, and then you kind of have to catch it. So I'll pretend this hand is me, and this is like my friend. Okay, whoever it is, I'll just say it's May. So Mary is gonna hold the thing like this, and then what I'm gonna do is go closer, and she's gonna try to get it. She got it, so she gets 1 point. That's how the game actually works. So you can take off the rice and take off the bird seed, and then add the rice, the grass, the fish, the whatever with the whatever, and then you just put. So I'll show you how it actually looks. Okay, so this is how you play. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.